This is the meat my mom got. This is goat meat. It's so fresh and big, like pepper and tatashi, tomato pepper and tatashi. Oga kpatakpata. Never come out for it. Okay, young child, okay, young child. Hey, hello, good evening.
Vai.
See the joy. What's wrong with the flash?
Chance, I make this a flash. Eh? Junior. Junior, when your mommy?
No, it's not mommy. You format the flash first now. You can't.
Come down. Chisom bought for us. Is it Chisom that bought this popcorn? Yeah? It's your money.
No, Daddy gave me money.
So we bought popcorn for us. So. I'm supposed to wear my mask so that I won't break my this thing. This one here too. I need to bring the other. Make I help me with that my mic where they there. Make I connect them. I'm on this one. Go and bring.
That's what she's doing. Good girl. Good girl. It's screwed up, no? It's screwed up.
Hey, hello, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm happy. Today is Saturday. What's more, YouTube can't try January. So today is Saturday and the house is full. Like we have a full house. My siblings are around. Yeah, they are around. They just brought what they got for me. Let me hold this. They just brought what they got for me now. What they got for me. So don't on it. If you on it, you'll be talking and I'll be talking. So they just brought what my mom got for me. Let me show you all. So, but first of all, this is my sister. Our last one. Say hello.
Hello.
Eh? Say hello now. The last time she came, she's Somi is very beautiful now. And color Gaputa, which cream are you using now? Yeah? Palm kernel oil. Yeah, natural. See, you see. So you not put it on your mouth. Put it on your own mouth. Say hello to my family.
Hello.
Okay. On to the next family. Say hi. Young child. Okay, nine nickname. Young Charlie. Okay, this is Young Charlie. Young Charlie. Okay, Charlie is my brother. Okay, I know you guys have not seen. You have not seen him before. But yeah, it's my brother. Charlie, say hello now. No culture.
Hello.
You cannot say hello. The lighting is even disturbing. Okay, I'll come back to chat later. See the way we take on microphone. Okay, bata. You never come out for my YouTube before. You are not sure. 2015, not 2015. So this is Victor, okay? Also my brother. Oh yeah, madam, take. And this is Lulu. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, it's because of Lulu that they are here. They are here because of Lou baby. So this is what they got for me. Let me start from here. Um, goat meat. So this is goat meat. It's big and it's so fresh. So this is the meat my mom got. This is goat meat. She keeps it herself. Okay, for you guys that don't know, if you need food stuff, in case you're outside the country, she gets any kind of food stuff. Okay, she can dry meat for you, egusi, ogbono, crayfish. In case you need, mama, please wait first. Sorry. In case you need to export Nigerian food to your country or anywhere, okay, she's into that. So she got this meat for us, and everything here is for 20,000 naira, for 20k. 20 back. You can see how fresh the meats are, so fresh and big. Like, can you see them? And they are all fleshy. So she got cabbage for me, tomatoes, pepper, and tatashi. Tomato, pepper, and tatashi. So all this, the three of this is 10,000. Onions, 5,000 naira. Okay, she also got onions, and she got carrots for me because I want to make salad. Okay, so the meat is not cut. We are trying to like cut it. My pedal cover, do you have it?
I don't say that. No, you do that. So they stop saying that way. You are a winner.
What from? What from now? Here's the other one. It's chopper than that one. You. Now enjoy yourself. No be in they call. No be in they call calcium. Okay.
I'll bring my strawberry ball. It's my microphone. I'll bring my strawberry ball. We'll cut it. Cut this way here. If you feel your hand.
No, I'm not gonna fear my hand.
Right, feel your hand. Let's see the make you fear.
What is there? This is some bread. Left in the dining table. Cheese. No. I don't like cheese. Apple. Yes, I like apple strawberries. I don't like pastas. What of these? I like ice cream.
So while we were cutting the meat, Onyeka went to blend the tomatoes. Okay, he washed and blended, all thanks to him. And later on, I went to make dinner for us. This is our afang soup. I don't know why, but for some reasons, after eating this afang soup, after they ate this afang soup, they were just praising me. Where did I learn to cook this soup? That the soup is very, very delicious. I don't know. It's not bitter in their mouth. They all love the soup. Like they ate everything I put inside their plate. Okay. The transparent plate is for ours. The second one is for Chisom, and the other one is for Onyedika and Charles. Okay, that was how I shared the soup. Okay. While they were eating the soup, they were all praising me, asking me how I learned to cook this, okay? And they told me that the soup is not bitter. So there is this fish I used in preparing this soup. That fish, I burnt it while I was frying it, trying to make it dry. So I later found out that it's the fish that made it to be bitter, and I had to remove the remaining fish from the soup. I think that's why the soup is no longer bitter, because the day I prepared it, I ate it that day and it was bitter in my mouth. So guys, good morning. How are you doing this morning? Fine. Eh? I'm fine. And I'm gonna Kaife. Need to talk. I'm gonna Kaife no, you know, focus. So good morning, happy Sunday to you all. Today is another beautiful day. Like yesterday, okay, I think I showed you all the tomatoes. That woman poured a lot of water inside that tomato. I don't know. I usually grind my or blend my tomatoes, but that yesterday I was so tired. I had to send my brother to go grind the tomatoes for me. But in that I cooked that tomato for like 3 hours and the water is still there. I had to I offed it maybe while frying I'm going to complete the remaining one, but it's annoying. Blend tomatoes and there'll be a lot of water inside. Anyways, guys, today is Sunday. I have a lot to do. I want to cook. Okay, I'll be cooking rice, jollof rice. I'm making coleslaw. What is it? Keep the phone. Making rice and coleslaw. So I'm about cooking, and apart from cooking, I still have a lot to do. I have to take Luna some pictures, and I also have to make her hair. I've not made her hair, so I have a whole lot. I'm also going to go get her cake ready. Okay, her birthday is not today. Her birthday is on Tuesday, which is 1st of July. Okay, but as a family, we just want to celebrate it because nobody will have time for birthday celebration on Tuesday. Okay, is during the week, so she's just going to do it with her classmates in class on Tuesday. But as a family, we are doing it together. So anyway, so let me stop talking. If you are new, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, and God bless you for always sticking around. I appreciate. So let's go. And so this is the goat meat I'm going to be using. It's just a rice for today. Okay, it's not much, 7 cups. And yeah, we are good to go. This is the size of goat meat I'm going to use. It's well seasoned. I'm going to be covering the pot right now, and this is our tomatoes. Like, can you see what this woman did? She blended it so smooth, and there is still water. But anyways, don't worry. See, as you are frying, it's going to be drying. Is so Chisom wants to make. She wants to prep for the salad. See all these things. You know, I bet this place. All this place, see this Kayana. Side I maybe give her the portion or the one she will be doing. 4, 5, 6. Carrots in there, chakwale. Nice, sweet and cut all the sides that are not good. Hey, Kaife! Kaife! So this is the remaining one. This is the one she will be doing. I don't know the size. Though that cabbage too is much. So blue that one. Blue in phone. Blue in phone. There's the anime fridge. Not in this it will in the fridge. That down part. Not no fridge, that white one. So let's do some measuring of rice. Going to be using 7 cups of rice.